This video segment introduces the EAS Challenge Portal. To access the Challenge Portal, click the large green Start button on the home page, or select Challenges from the top menu bar. The login message will appear. This portion of the site is available only for subscribers. The Challenge Portal, displayed here, contains a growing list of engineering challenges ranging from simple to very complex. As the list of challenges grows, it will be organized into categories such as aerospace, agriculture, manufacturing, transportation, robotics, and green technology. Users can also browse by content area, selecting challenges based on intensity of various science, technology, engineering, and math concepts. From here, the challenge script and teacher tools are also accessible.